Hi, this is Parish President Cynthia Sheng. Today is a much-awaited day. We did the groundbreaking for our Eastbank JPAWS Adoption Center. Today is a day where we are going to groundbreak a building worthy of the work these incredible people do. We're going to give them a state-of-the-art, modern facility.
Getting to today's date has been a challenge. Prior to the pandemic, we were working with our animal welfare department to redesign and renovate the animal shelter, not rebuild it. Then we had this little event called the pandemic, and in August 29, we had Ida, which completely destroyed the facility. So having to stop in mid-process and switch gears was a challenge that created a lot of delays that no one wanted to deal with, but we have to sometimes play with the cards we're dealt with, and that's what we had to do in this process.
It's been thoughtfully designed to include separate adoption, community clinic, and intake entrances, as well as an efficient pet housing areas to help reduce stress for animals.
It's going to have a low-cost clinic, separate intake entrances. One will be for adoptions, one will be for the clinic with exam rooms, and the third will be for surrenders. We'll also have indoor-outdoor play yards so that it doesn't matter whether it's raining, it's cold, or it's super hot outside. The animals will still be able to get enrichment. The cats will have open spaces and in condos to play. There will be music that will be piped in to the different species, the different rooms, dog TV. As well as self-filling water bowls. There will be obviously a lot of beautiful spaces, places to hang out with the animals and get to know them. I think that people are going to be surprised just how well the building flows and how much thought and detail went into the care and keeping of the animals.